5 signs of Laylatul Qadar. 1. A peaceful night. It's a pleasant night, and we know it's going to be a pleasant night from that same Quran verse. Peace, it is until the emergence of dawn. So we are looking for a night that is very calm, very peaceful. Ibn Khuzaimah said that it is a night that is neither hot nor cold. 2. The moon looks like a piece of a plate. Some says it looks like half a plate. 3. In the last odd nights, the night is in the last 10 nights on the odd nights. 21, 23, 25, 27, 29 of Ramadan. There are a lot of people who try to seek the night of Jikri on the 27th of Ramadan simply because it did occur on the 27th before. There are narrations for it, but there are also narrations for other nights. The scholars say this is something with wisdom. Otherwise, if you know that is going to be in the 27th, why do you do the acts of worship on any other night? So basically, Laylatul Qadar changes from year to year, but is still in the last 10 nights on the odd night, so that the Muslims actually keep working hard for the rewards. 4. There is possibility of rain. So there are narrations where Prophet Muhammad did mention that he dreamed about Laylatul Qadar, and in that dream he had prostrated, and when he came up his face was white with rain, water and mud. Al-Bukhari. 5. The sunrise for the next morning. Narration says that it is going to be a sun with no rays, so that means it's a very weak sun. You can look straight at it. But the explanation for why Imam An-Nawawi gave us 2 explanations. Allah just wants it that way. He wanted the sun to come up in a very special way after a special night, because the amount of angels filling the sky, they are actually blocking the sun winds.